gold leafing? How to? Oh yes, we are. This is a wonderful find from the dollar spot at Target. This wooden tray embellishing the United States of America comes together with this quilted look using our textured chic designer series paper and gold leafing. I have to tell you, gold leafing could be overwhelming if you're worried about creating a mess. I'm going to show you how to bypass all of that. Go ahead and grab the supplies you need for this in the description below and on my blog at gettingcrafty.net. Again, the link is below in the description. Now, we're going to take this beautiful wood piece and we're going to embellish it. You can choose any of your favorite designer series papers to get started. The templates are also on my blog at gettingcrafty.net, and you can find the video tutorial on the quilted part right up here. Now we're going to take this wood tray and we're going to elevate it. Are you excited? I know that I am. Let's go ahead and jump in now. Grabbing this here, we're going to start with the multi-purpose liquid adhesive and our gold leafing, beautiful, beautiful gold leaves. So these are flaky and they can be overwhelming to anybody. I have to give you a fair warning. I do have one baby wipe with no oils or additives added to it that I use that to clean my finger. We applied multi-purpose liquid adhesive completely around the edge, and then we took the gold leafing and applied that with clean fingers. We really pushed it into the gold. It was a thin covering. Then we grabbed our blending brushes. The blending brush was amazing. It kind of wrapped around the gold leafing, helping to push it down without getting it stuck to my fingers, and it really did brush off any extra. I do encourage you to have one clean surface to work on, something that you can clean up, just like this grid paper here. My grid surface is amazing, but it does get dirty. Not as bad as you would think. Go ahead and brush it off and then celebrate this gorgeous gold leafing that you created. Now, what do you think? If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so and hit that bell and leave a comment about what you think.